Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Fun Electronics. I am going to upload more video related to electrical and electronic engineering field. So if you are interested in electrical and electronics engineering, please subscribe this channel. Then only you will notified when I upload new videos in this channel. So what we are going to see in this video is how to simulate basic LED blink function using Arduino board in the Proteus. So first of all, let's create the new project. Here you want to select the path where you want to save this project. So I am going to save this project in project folder. Then click next. If you want any template like A4, A3, then you will select this one. Otherwise you can select default. Here if you want to create PCB layout, you can select this. Otherwise click next. Click next, and after click finished, the project will be created. Here this is the place we want to select the components. Click this one. Here we want to search the components. Here these are the list of Arduino. Here you can see this is Arduino Mega board. This one also Arduino Mega board. This is Arduino Uno board. We are going to do this project by using this Arduino Uno board. So double click this one. So these components appear here. If you cannot see this Arduino board in your Proteus file, I will give a video link in the description about how to add the Arduino board in the Proteus. So click that video and refer that video and add the Arduino board in your Proteus file. Then we need LED. Here you can see several LED here. So if you want to select any LED, you can select. I am going to select LED green. So double click this one and OK. Here now we are going to create the symmetric diagram. So click the Arduino Uno board and click here. And after click, it will place here. Then select the LED green and place it here and create the circuit. Here I am going to select pin 4 to LED, and then you have to connect this other pin to ground. Here this is the basic LED function circuit. So now we are going to code for this circuit. For that we are using Arduino IDE softwares. Let's open that software. Here this is the coding for LED blink function. Here we have to define the LED pin as 4, and this is the void setup. Here we want to set the pin mode like output or input. Likewise, here in this project I am going to send the voltage output, so LED pin as output, and this is the void loop. Here we want to write the code what we are going to do in the function in the Arduino board. So here I have write like digital write LED pin high, which means the output LED pin 4 become 5 voltage up to 1 second. Here in here 1000 mean 1000 millisecond. So up to 1 second the output of the pin 4 becomes 5 voltage. After that I will write as digital write LED pin low, so which means the output of the LED pin 4 becomes 0, which means the LED should turn off, that up to 1 second. Then this function continuously looping in the void loop. First we have to save this project to the same file. Save as desktop project file. Here I have served link here. I have already saved this file here. Then we have to verify this code. Here there is no issue in this code. So we want to upload the hex file in the Arduino board in the Proteus. So we want to extract the hex file. For that, go to sketch and click the export compiled binary. Then hex file will automatically generated. Here we have to select that hex file. Here we are going to same folder, and here blink function build and select the hex file, this blink INO hex file, then open, then click OK. Then when we click this play button, the simulation is start. Here you can see this red and blue are coming again, which means our coding is work perfectly, but LED is not blink. Let's check that one. Here you can see the LED moved as analog, but we are connect this LED to digital pin. So select the analog to digital, then click OK and run again. Now this LED is blinked perfectly. Here if you want to change the code, let's change and check. Now I am going to change the delay. So this means after 0.1 second LED will turn off. Also here, let's verify this code and export the hex file. We have already uploaded the hex file, so let's run again. Here you can see the blink LED blink faster than previously. So likewise you can change the code and check the output in the Proteus. In upcoming videos I am going to do complex project by using Arduino. So if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe. Thank you.